In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix VAL40 error in Valorant. So technically, you can head over to the support page of Valorant for the Riot Games, and here are the known issues and fixes. As you can see, we have in here this Val, which typically means stuck at loading screen, can't log in, or can't select champion or agent. If you're having this particular issue, then what we can do is we can head over into this particular part of the article that shows us how to fix this. If you're having this particular error, what we can do is we can head over and then have your integrated Intel graphics card. If you have an old version, make sure to update it to the latest version. You also need to have the Valorant Vanguard to an exception list and if you have antivirus software. If that doesn't work, you may need to disable it. And you can also update other drivers or firmware like motherboard, processor, and the like. So if that still doesn't actually help you, you can reach out to the player support. Like for example, you can submit a ticket to the support page of Valorant, and then from in there, just head over and then have them fix it for you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped.